Hello everybody, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS, and in this video I'm gonna show, slowly by slowly through this video, I'm gonna be pruning this Kadota fig way down so that you can see there's some figs that are not gonna ripen this year at least, and there's some that just went bad or the birds got to them. I got a lot of figs off of it, but you know, I only could eat so many and give away so many. It produced a lot this year, a lot, but there's a lot of bird damage. I didn't hang any foil or anything to deter the birds or hang fake snakes to deter them. I just wanted to share this year, that's all. But regardless, I am going to be cutting this tree. I'll show in this video, a quick video of the front, my Ville de Bordeaux, or connoisseur fig basically, how I grow it like a grapevine. So it's bigger. If I grew that tree upright, it would be taller than this tree, but yet everything is about 3.5 to 4 feet high. So it's easy to pick, because I have real trouble trying to get all these figs way up there. So I'm gonna prune this down here and bend just like the one in the front. So with all this growth, I'm gonna be pruning it down. It's almost the end of the year anyways, and it won't really hurt it that much. Also, I allowed a lot of growth on the bottom just so I could get some generate food while I pretty much decapitate it. But yeah, even big cuts, you know, can heal up. This was a huge cut, and it takes about a couple years for the figs to heal up, but not as fast as the stone fruit or the apples or the almond. Almond is the fastest. Anyways, let's get to cutting. So you can see how big the cut is. I had to cut it in a few pieces. It was really heavy, but yeah, that's how it's all gonna look. That height right there, all that's coming off. A little bit more now, and we're almost finished. And there you go. Nice and short. About 1/2 foot underneath the fence. Enough green leaves to keep it going. And if you're worried about, I don't know if they call it, what they call them, water shoots. Basically a whole bunch of growth where you cut it off. Just a leaf. A whole bunch of growth, that's exactly what I want. It's warm enough still, so it'll produce a lot of growth towards the ends of the branches, and I'm gonna select the best ones out of those and start bending them, just like I did to the front one. There you go. Don't worry about pruning a whole bunch, all right? Happy gardening. Bye.